Welcome. In this video, we are solving question number 11A of just ended WASSCE 2026 core mathematics questions. So let's get started. Solution. Now the question reads, Denchem Krum is 35 kilometers from Sedu Krum on a bearing of 050 degrees. Chichi Krum is 12 kilometers from Sedu Krum on a bearing of 140 degrees. Now, 1. We are to illustrate the information in a diagram. Then, find the sub 1 distance between Denchem Krum and Cheche Krum. And then bearing of Sedu Krum from Cheche Krum. So, at this point, what we need is, let's label the towns with their first letters. So, let S represent Sedu Krum. Then D represent Denchem Krum. Then K represent Cheche Krum. We should also let X represent the distance between Denchem Krum and Cheche Krum. Alright, so after labeling, we draw our reference point. Now let's draw our reference point. So I'm drawing the reference point starting from here. I draw the vertical line, label it as north. Then I draw the horizontal line as well. So let him draw the horizontal line as well. So that's the horizontal line, making the reference point. Now let's go back to the question. The question says, Denchem Krum is 35 kilometers from Sedu Krum. From Sedu Krum means we are starting at Sedu Krum. So let's label this one as Sedu Krum S. And then we are going to turn, standing at Sedu Krum, facing the north. We should turn 50 degrees to take us to that town we call Denchem Krum. So let's draw the lines from Sedu Krum to Denchem Krum. I am standing at Sedu Krum, and this line or this road takes me to Denchem Krum. So at this point, let's also draw our reference point. So in drawing our reference point, you draw this line, you label it as north, then you draw the horizontal line as well to make the reference point. So that is it. So from Sedu Krum, this road will take me to Denchem Krum. So let's label it as D. Alright. Now they say the distance between Sedu Krum and Denchem Krum is 35 kilometers. So let me write 35 kilometers. That is it. Then when I was standing at Sedu Krum facing the north, I turned 50 degrees. So facing the north, I turned 50 degrees. So this is 50 degrees from the north pole. That is it. So we are done with Sedu Krum and Denchem Krum. Let's continue from the question. Now the question continues to say that Cheche Krum is 12 kilometers from Sedu Krum. Again, from Sedu Krum on a bearing of 140 degrees. What does it mean? It means I am standing at Sedu Krum again. I am facing the north side again. I should turn 140 degrees to take me to that town we call Cheche Krum. So let's do the turning. I stand here, I face the north, I'm turning clockwise direction. So this is 90 degrees. Then 140 degrees should be somewhere here. So let's label it. Let's draw the line from this place to Cheche Krum. So that is it. Again, I should draw my reference point. Very, very important. So that is my reference point. I indicate north. Then I have to come and draw the vertical line as well, the horizontal line as well. So that is it. Now let's go back to the question. It says Chichikurum is 12 kilometers from Sedikurum. So it means here the distance between Sedikurum and Chichikurum is 12 kilometers. Let me write it, 12 kilometers. Here is Chichikurum. Let me indicate it by writing K. All right. So now we have Sedikurum, Denchemkurum, and Chichikurum. What we have to do is to connect the distance between Denchemkurum and Chichikurum to make a triangle. So let's do the connection. To connect these three towns, Sedikurum, Denchemkurum, and Chichikurum, forming a triangle. Now let's come back to Sedikurum. Now look at it. We turned 50 degrees facing north to this side. So if here is 50 degrees, what angle will be here? This angle will be 40 degrees. Do we agree? Why? Because this is two perpendicular lines. So if here is 50, this place should be 40 degrees. To add up to it so that it will be 90 degrees. All right. Now again, let's look at statement 2, which says from Sedikurum we turned 140 degrees to Chichikurum. So again, let's do the turning. Standing at Sedikurum, facing the north, I'm going to turn 140 degrees clockwise. So meaning this is 90 degrees. I should add 50 degrees to 90 degrees so that it will be 140 degrees. Okay. Now look at it. We have an inside angle here from triangle KSD or DSK. The angle is at S. This angle is 90 degrees because 50 plus 40 is 90. So this is 90 degrees. Now, if we have a triangle and we have one of the angles being 90, then of course it is a right angle triangle. If it is a right angle triangle, then it follows Pythagoras Theorem. And if it follows Pythagoras Theorem, then we can use that Pythagoras Theorem to find this length here, the distance between Denchemkurum and Chichikurum, which is represented by letter X. So X kilometers. All right. So let's calculate for the distance between Denchemkurum and Chichikurum using the Pythagoras Theorem. So we have X squared, the distance between Denchemkurum and Chichikurum, is equal to SD squared. What is SD? Sedikurum to Denchemkurum plus SK squared. All right. So X squared is equal to, now SD we know it to be 35 kilometers. So 35 kilometers squared plus SK we know it to be 12 kilometers, 12 squared. Now let's continue. S squared is equal to, when you square 35, you are going to get 1225 plus 12 squared gives us 144. So now adding them, we have X squared is equal to 1369. Right. Taking the positive square root on both sides. So we have X squared taking the positive square root is equal to 1369 squared. All right. So this square removes the root. So you have X is equal to 37 kilometers. So that is the distance between Denchemkurum and Chichikurum. Now let's go to the B, which says we have to find the bearing of Sedikurum when we are standing at Chichikurum. Okay, so standing at Chichikurum, how many angles should I turn to come to this road? This is the road taking me from Chichikurum to then Sedikurum. Okay, so standing at the town Chichikurum, facing the north, how many angles should I turn? But before that, look at this angle here. This angle alternates with this angle. So if here is 50 degrees, then here too is 50 degrees. because they are alternate angles. Okay. Now I face north. I turn, my first turn is this. So I will turn 90 degrees to look at east. So 90 degrees to look at east. Then at Chechikrom again, facing the east, I should turn 90 degrees to look at the south. So another 90 degrees will take me to the south. So I'm now facing the south, standing at Chechikrom. Then I should turn again another 90 degrees to look at the west. So plus another 90 degrees take me to the west. Now I'm facing the west. How many angles should I turn to come to this road? This is the road. So I should turn another 50 degrees. So plus 50. Now when I sum all of these angles up, it should give me the bearing. When I'm standing at Chechikrom, I should turn to go to this town or this road that will take me to Seydou. So 90 plus 90 is 180, plus another 90 is 270, plus 50 gives me 320 degrees. So that is the bearing that when I'm standing at Chechikrom, that I should turn to come to this road. This is the road that will take me to Seydou. Thank you very much.